Good day, everyone. Our advocacy focuses on preserving traditional clothing. These garments are more than just outfits. They represent our culture, identity, and the creativity of our ancestors. Through this presentation, we aim to raise awareness and encourage everyone to value and protect our traditional clothing. What is traditional clothing? Traditional clothing refers to the garments passed down from our ancestors such as the Barong Tagalog, Barot Saya, and indigenous attire. This includes are made from local materials and decorated with meaningful patterns. Each design tells a story about a community's belief, environment, and a way of life.
Pa rin ang takot sa iyong damdamin ay pamalas ang angking galing. Tumayong buong tapang harapin ang buhay akapin.
Why is it important to preserve our traditional clothing?
Kapwa't bigyan
Preserving traditional clothing is important because it reflects our identity as a Filipinos. It keeps our cultural alive and allows younger generations to learn about our traditions. It also supports local weavers and artists who continue to create these meaningful garments. However, traditional clothing is slowly being forgotten. Many people prefer modern fashion and rarely wear traditional garments. Fewer young people are learning traditional weaving, which puts this design at risk of disappearing. If we do not act now, we may lose an important part of our cultural identity.
ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan.
We can help preserve traditional clothing by wearing them during school events and celebrations. We should support local weavers and designers by promoting their work. We can also raise awareness through social media and learn the stories behind these garments. Let us take part in protecting our artistic heritage and keep our traditions alive for future generations.